Okay, when you get the link, which is this very one, you tap on it and you choose the Zoom app to open with. You click on just once and the app opens up. You'll be given an option to choose. And let's just wait for it to come. Alright, so now it's preparing you to join the team. Alright, now when you join, you have to tap on this call the device audio, else you might not hear anything. So you tap on it and then your mic is activated, so you can hear whenever they speak. When you are muted, when you speak, no one hears. So if you want to be heard, you tap on the screen once and then these options comes up. I tap on the mic to unmute it. Now I've closed the video because I don't want my face to be seen. But if you want your face to be seen, you just activate the video by tapping on the start video, and then your face will be seen and you can hear whatever they are saying, and they can also hear your voice as well. We use the participant option to see the number of people who have joined the meeting. Basically, when you come to the more option, you have the option to chat, and then you can raise your hands if you want to ask a question in the meeting. These are just a few many used. You can just here.